Mga kababayan, itutuloy po natin itong motion ni Tito Soto. Declared loss mga kababayan dahil bumoto siya na ituloy ang impeachment. Pero itong naging desisyon ni Chis Escudero at ng mga kasama niyang 19 na senador, mga kababayan, kaya si Tito Soto nagmukhang basang sisiw dito. Nakasimangot na mga kababayan. Ito po, pakinggan po natin.
On the motion of the Minority Leader, Senator Tito Soto, to lay on the table the motion of Senator Rodante Marcoleta.
Is there any objection to the motion of the Majority Leader for the Senate? What is the pleasure of the Minority Floor Leader?
Mr. President, I move for a nominal vote.
The Chair has every intention of doing that, Your Honor. There is a motion to vote on the motion of Senator Soto to lay on the table the motion of Senator Marcoleta pertaining to the articles of impeachment vis-a-vis and in light of the Supreme Court decision of July 25, 2025. To explain, a yes, affirmative, or aye vote supports the motion of the Honorable Minority Leader, and it therefore means that we will not act on the motion of Senator Marcoleta today. A nay vote, a no vote, means that the motion of Senator Marcoleta will not be laid on the table and that we will act and vote upon it today. Senator Lacson? Later on, we'll know the amendment. Senator Lacson, so that it's on the record, please.
So you're only referring, Mr. President, to the motion to dismiss? No, motion to table. Just the motion to table.
Just the motion to table, Your Honor, because we are not yet there.
대한민국 프리미엄 엔
Ayan mga kababayan, pati si Senadora Ping Lacson nalilito sa mga term ng mga abogado, mga kababayan. Kaya maganda ito. Kaya ituloy po natin mga kababayan na nako, si Tito Soto maluha-luha dito mga kababayan. Hindi alam kung saan pupunta, mag-CCR ba o ano mga kababayan. Kaya ituloy natin ito. Ito na po mga kababayan, ito na. Nakaka-excite na. Iyak na si Tito Soto dito.
There being no objection, the motion is of the... Yes, Senator Zubiri.
Yes, Mr. President, being a former Senate President and being former Majority Leader, I'd like to ask the audience to restrain from commenting or laughing, please. Well, we are in a, for me, it's a sacred place. It is in the august chamber of the Senate that we have decorum. May we ask for decorum from those who are watching within the plenary, Mr. President.
Actually, they have been silent for the past 3.5 hours. Chair would like to remind the people in the gallery to kindly respect the processes and procedures of the Senate and to avoid any claps, any jeering or comments so that we can proceed with roll call vote.
Yes, with due respect, because I heard a lot of laughing after the poor gentleman from our good friend, Senator Lacson, asked only for a clarification of the vote that will happen in a few seconds.
The Sergeant at Arms is so directed.
Just proper decorum, because this is a very important vote, and it's a very serious vote that will be taking place. Thank you.
The Sergeant at Arms is so directed to kindly maintain order in the gallery. Acting now on the motion of the Majority Leader for us to divide the House and vote on the motion to lay on the table, Secretary is directed to call the roll for nominal voting.
Roll call vote. The Honorable Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Ejercito. Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Ontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid. Senator Legarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto.
May I register my vote, Mr. President?
The Minority Leader may proceed.
Thank you. Mr. President, the Supreme Court decision,
19 po
Is now
yung
pending
vote
appeal.
ng no.
it is prudent to wait for the results rather than prematurely archiving, if not dismissing, because I know for a fact, once it is archived, it is dead. So what happens if the Supreme Court reverses itself? Clear and blatant errors are present in the ruling of the Supreme Court. First, they misunderstood the legislative process in assuming that the 19th Congress adjourned sine die in February 5. Grave error. Thus effectively dismissing the first three complaints.
Si Tito Soto, mga kababayan, 19 na ngayon bumoto, nag-aano pa, mga kababayan, 20 po yung vote, saka 4 yung bumoto ng no, kung di ako nagkakamaling. Ngayon, mga kababayan, sinideye ng sinideye itong si Soto. Umaapila pa. Sino ka Soto para umapila? Bumoto nga ng 20 tapos 4 lang yung nagno nakasama mo. Nagrereklamo ka pa. Nag-iiyak ka na. Diyos ko Lord.
Paving the way for them to say na ano pala, yung 1-year ban binayolate. The archiving of the 3 complaints were done after the initiation of the 4th complaint. The 1-year ban did not set in. Second, the decision practically amended the clear mandate by the Constitution by placing a hierarchy on the modes to initiate an impeachment complaint. Parang wala na yung third option.
All right, team, we're transitioning to flash.
O nakita nyo, mga kababayan, paano magreklamo itong si Tito Soto. Talagang nagpipilit. Naku, Tito Soto, tumigil na kayo. Unanimous decision na nga Ayaw nyo pang tumigil? Naku naman, Tito Soto. Durog ka na nga kay kay Marcoleta. Ngayon, gusto mo pang bawiin yung boto ng unanimous decision na senador. Diyos ko Lord naman, Tito Soto. Hindi kayo nadala. Ayaw niyong tumigil.
Retroactively applied the new definition to the present case in the violation of the doctrine of operative facts, thus voiding as well the impeachment proceeding binayolate. The archiving of the 3 complaints were done after the initiation of the 4th complaint. The 1-year ban did not set in. Second, the decision practically amended the clear mandate by the Constitution by placing a hierarchy on the modes to initiate an impeachment complaint. Parang wala na yung third option. Third, the Supreme Court retroactively applied the new definition to the present case in the violation of the doctrine of operative facts, thus voiding as well the impeachment proceedings of former President Estrada and Chief Justice Corona. They did not interpret the Constitution, Mr. President. They amended the Constitution. So lastly, the Supreme Court now has the chance to rectify these errors in its decision. So I was hoping to table the motion so that we can let us afford them this opportunity for the benefit of future impeachment processes and to uphold the clear mandate of the 1987 Constitution. All we needed to do was wait a little. And so I will have to register a yes vote. I know it will be a vote in the minority, but I have always voted in the minority in many issues in the Senate since 1992 up to the present. Always prayed I was wrong. Unfortunately, I was always right.
Wow! Wow, mga kababayan! siya daw ay laging tama sa kanyang mga boto sa minority. Kasi sinasabihan niya yung Korte Suprema, rectifying errors. Mga kababayan, ang tindi naman ni Senador Soto. Rectifying errors, ibig sabihin, typically involves correcting mistakes in legal documents or judgment. Ibig sabihin, nagkamaling Korte Suprema, rectifying errors of the Supreme Court. Ang galing mo naman, mga kababayan. Sabi nyo, rectifying errors in law typically involves correcting mistakes in legal documents or judgment or addressing legal errors in a system. This can be involved administrative corrections, judicial interpretations, or legislative changes. The specific process for rectification depends on the nature of the error and the applicable laws. Ibig sabihin, yung mga sinasabi mo laging tama mula 1992. Ngayon na 2025 na tama ka pa rin. Ang galing mo naman, Tito Soto. Sana ikaw na yung justice na bumoto at ikaw yung pinaka-the highest justice in Supreme Court para ikaw na ang mag-interpret ng mga batas. Nung debate nga ni Marcoleta, naging sinabun ka lang eh. Ngayon sasabihin mo, rectifying errors of the Supreme Court, correcting mistakes. Ang galing mo naman, Soto. 'Di ba mga kababayan, ang galing ni Soto, no? Ulitin nga natin. Ang galing nito,
In many issues in the Senate since 1992 up to the present, always prayed I was wrong. Unfortunately, I was always right.
Wow! Nagbuhat
My
ng
God, have mercy on your decision. I vote yes.
Ay,
Noted. Secretary will please continue.
ano ba yun?
Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil, Senator Villar Mart, Senator Zubiri, Senate President Escudero.
No.
Pwedeng mag-explain ng boto.
Before the explanations of vote, Chair would first like to make of record the result.
Gusto pang magpasikat yung iba no?
With 5 affirmative votes, 19 negative votes, the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost.
O mga kababayan, panalo po ang no to impeachment, mga kababayan. At si Soto, napasimangot na lang eh. Ano sa tingin nyo? Lagi daw tama si Soto since 1992. Hanggang ngayon na 2025 na. Tumanda na lang siya, laging tama ang kanyang desisyon. Napasimangot na lang, napabalikwas na lang, mga kababayan eh. O ano masasabi nyo dito?
Lost. Soto. Sorry, Senator Soto is lost.
Kamali pa tuloy.
No, he said the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost.
Mga kababayan, akala ko panalo si Soto eh. O ano masasabi nyo dito? Di nag-iyak si Tito Soto. Since 1992, correct na ako. Hanggang ngayon. I wish that I'm mistake, sabi niya. But I'm always right. Wow. Mga kababayan, ang galing ni Tito Soto. Palakpakan. Palakpakan. Anong sabi dito, mga kababayan? Anong sabi? Ang sabi ng dito? Senator Tito Soto's motion to table, the motion to dismiss, the impeachment was declared lost. Aba, talo nga si Soto. Napaiyak na lang, mga kababayan. Yan lamang po ang ating bahagi. Salamat po sa inyo. Di ba mga kababayan? Ang galing, no? Ang galing ni Toso. Laging talo. Salamat po. Isang like po, isang share at isang subscribe po mga kababayan.